One sneeze, one surface. Here is how viral infections spread in everyday life. Viruses don't jump randomly, but by moving from an infected host to a new one through several common everyday pathways. WHO confirms ventilation and hand hygiene reduce spread more than panic ever will. Welcome to Health Uncoded, where we break down health science clearly and responsibly. Public health, infectious diseases, immune health, and prevention can be confusing, especially online. But here we focus on evidence, not trends. Every video helps you understand how your body works and how prevention saves lives. Common ways by which viruses spread are 1. Direct personal contacts like shaking hands, hugging, or kissing, which can transfer viruses directly from one person's skin or bodily fluids to another. 2. Through air by releasing tiny particles called droplets and aerosols. 3. Through touching contaminated surfaces like doorknobs, phone screens, or even elevator numbers. 4. Through consuming contaminated food and water. 5. Lastly but not the least, through insect bites or animals that act as vector for these viruses or for viruses. The spread of viruses can be stopped by regular hand washing, improved ventilation, covering of face, staying home when sick, and vaccination. If you found this video helpful, follow Health Uncoded for more science-based health education. Share this with someone who values facts over fear. Health decisions should be based on evidence and clarity. See you in the next breakdown.